Hi, welcome back. Welcome to my channel, Techie or GG Agra. As we have been working on MCQs as the board exam of computer science and informatics practices both are approaching. So I'm just trying to give you some MCQs sort of things so that you should be prepared for the exam. Not like these MCQs you might see in the paper, but sort of related MCQs you will definitely see in your examination. And after this video, I'll share the MCQs on list, tuple, and dictionary as well. So let's move to this MCQs, which are I'm going to demonstrate on dictionary. So let's move. So here there are some MCQs, maybe 15 or 20 in the numbers. So over here, the first MCQ which you might see here, that which of the following statements is or are correct. So the first option is dictionary are immutable, which is not. A dictionary can have all keys and no values, wrong. Keys of dictionary must be of the same type. Keys of dictionary must be of immutable type. It could be. So dictionaries are immutable. This is incorrect. So I think this D option is the correct option as far as I know. Okay. So now the next question is which of the following cannot be a key of dictionary, since the first option or the first question says the keys of dictionary must be immutable types. So this question is related to question number 1. Which of the following cannot be a key of a dictionary? So out of the options, 5 can be the key because this is not the iterable. 5, this could be the key, and this 5 is the integer, so it could be the key. 5 is the character, it could be the key. And tuple, it could be the key because uh, the keys should be immutable for dictionary. But as far as C option is concerned, this is the list, and the list is mutable, so it cannot be the key of the dictionary. So C option is the correct option. And the next question is the values of a dictionary must be a string, should be a mutable type only, should be of immutable type only, can be of any type. So there is no constant whether this should be a string, whether it should be numeric or mutable, whatever. So the dictionary values or the values in the dictionary could be of any type. So D option is the correct option. So we should go with D option. Okay, now next question is which of the following statements is or are true? Dictionary statements can be accessed using index as in the list. Dictionary statements, dictionary elements can be accessed using keys only. Dictionary elements can be accessed using values only. Dictionary elements can be accessed using index, key, and values. So the fourth option is not valid. So I must go with B option, because dictionary elements can be accessed using keys only. So B option is, I think, is the correct option. So I'll go with B option, and this is the correct option. Now the question number 5. So here, if you look at which of the following statements is or are correct. A dictionary can have two same keys with different values. A dictionary can have two different keys. A dictionary can have two same keys with same values. Two different keys with different values. So I think the dictionary can have two different keys with the same value. It is also correct. And dictionary can have two different keys with different values. This is also correct. Okay. So this option is correct. And this option is also correct. And the question number 6. Which of the following statements will create a dictionary? The first option, curly brackets, A key and value 1, B key value 2, and A and B are the characters. So this is, I think, the right option. With blindly you can say yes, the dictionary can be created using option B. Other options are not valid options. The first option is the correct option. And the question number 7, which of the following methods takes any iterable as parameters? So as far as iterables are concerned, so update also requires iterable, and form keys function also requires the iterable. So I'll go with the option A and D. Because we can use different methods along with update and form keys. Iterables we can use with update and form keys as well. So I'll go with these two. And this question, which of the following statements will create a dictionary? Dict dot form keys will perhaps not create, but B and C, I think, can create. So I must go with B, as I'm sure, and C is also, I'm sure with this. Form keys, one, so list, because the value should be none. If keys are there, 1 2 3 as a but form keys, so this could be distributed. So this is also possible. So I must go with D option. Which of the following statements will create dictionary? C and D are the correct options, I think, as far as my sense is saying. Dict form keys 1, 2, 3. Yes, because the C option is not correct. Why? Because this is a string, and how will you distribute? Because this is immutable, so we cannot uh, divide or distribute 1 2 3, 1 2 3 ABC, or 1 ABC, 2 ABC, or 3 ABC. So I think from my point of view, D option is the correct option. So you can try it out. Now the next question is dictionary 1122, then what is the value of length D? So there are only two values, and that is why the length should be only 2. Dictionary, or create the dictionary form key. Form key D. So I think dict dot form keys, which are the following. So I think all of these, yes, we can create the dictionary. Well, because form keys is basically used to create the dictionary. So whether values are there or keys are there, in both ways we'll be able to create the dictionary. And the next question is D is equal to, this is a dictionary, and then which of the following expression is true? 1 in D, yes. 2 is also in D, but word 1 in D is not possible, as we are looking for the keys in this case. Then expression is true, is statements or expressions true, is true, or are true, because 1 is the key which is available in D, and 2 is also the integer, 2 is also the key in G, and that is why A and B are the correct options, and C and D are not the correct options because these are the values. So I will go with A and B only. So again there is a dictionary 1 2, then which of the following expressions is raised the exception? mm, Del D is 1. If D is equal to 1, del D2. So option B, I think, is the correct option, because this might raise the exception. Yes, this might raise the exception. Yes, correct. Now, which of the following will delete the last element from the dictionary? Pop, pop item, remove, clear. Actually, delete the last element. As far as last element is concerned, pop can also be used, but usually pop we use in the list to delete the element, and pop item can also be used to delete the element. So I will go with option B, last element from a dictionary. So pop item is the function which can remove the value from the end of the dictionary. Okay, A is equal to, this is a dictionary, and pop item, in this case, value of A. So the value of A, because you are going to delete the item from this list, so I'll delete the last item, means along with the key and the value. So when it deletes the item from a dictionary, so last item is deleted, pop item deletes the last item of the dictionary. So I'll go with C option, because 5 and 6 is the last item. This will be stored after deleting the element in A. Which of the following methods will raise an exception if no argument is given? Pop item does not need any argument. Clear does not need. Copy the dictionary. But set default is the method. If you do not give any argument, set default, this will definitely raise the exception. So I'll go with option D here. Yes. Which of the following dictionary method can already returns tuple from non-empty dictionary? Non-empty, set default, pop item. I think I think non-empty dictionary. I will go with pop item. Yes, pop item returns a dictionary. Pop items returns a dictionary. This is I'm sure. And in the question number 18, which of the following is not the dictionary method? Del is the method, copy is the method, values is the method, but items is not the method. So I should go with items. Yes, items is the method. Which of the following is not a dictionary method? Del. Yes, this is not the method, because items is the method, values is the method, it gives the values, copy is also the method. So del is the function which is not a method for the dictionary. Question number 19. Which of the following statements is invalid? Dictionary.update will work, and update, so update will work. So A, B, C all are the valid. options. So none of these could be the correct answer. So here this is the output. D is an empty shape. Then which of the following expression will raise an exception? So when there is no element, then how will pop pop deletes empty, maybe D. So pop, yes, because there is no element, so how come it can delete, or it can raise, so it should raise the exception. So option C, I think, is the correct option. So this is how these are some MCQs which I have checked, and not sure, but I'll definitely uh, give you these MCQs for your perusal. So you also try and check whether I'm correct or not correct. So in the description box, I'll share the MCQs of list, tuple, and dictionary as well. Okay, fine. So we'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.